Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Menma, and if you've always been here with me, thank you for being here. So yeah, that's me pulling out my board, my whiteboard that I bought in the market. Yes, it was a huge achievement for me because I like whiteboards. In today's video, I wanted to share with you what my preparing for a week is like. So every week I do this thing where I try to make like an agenda. I write down my weekly or daily agenda on my whiteboard, and I just try to set out like some goals, practically what I just want to achieve or how I want to set myself for the week. So yeah, that's basically what this video is going to be about. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please let me know in the comment section what your own weekly preparation is like, what you liked in mine and you'd like me to cultivate next time when I'm trying this out. So yeah, let's get into today's video. Let's go. So my agenda for the day was very simple. I just wanted to get my head clear, get my space clear, because I can't move forward unless I have these things organized. So I needed to prepare myself for the week by setting things in order. These were the few things I felt like I needed to get done for me to have a good week. So we have clean my room, cook, plan for the week, prepare posts and shots for the week, and plan personal goals for the week. All right, cue the montage. Man, cleaning is hard. Wow, even watching that at the highest speed, like I was like, oh my, this thing took forever to do. But yeah, we cleaned and we're done with that. Now we're doing the last touches, and I guess I'm done with this one. Yay, on to the next adventure. If I tell you do not joke with me when it comes to my culinary skills, I mean absolutely do not joke with me. Like, don't dare it. Do not dare it. I am a proud Chef Chi. Of course. Yes, I am. Like, if I'm to cook for you like this, to blow your mind, I'm good. Yeah, I know. Thank you. It's not easy. See how I'm fighting with sweat while enjoying this masterpiece of a dish I created. Call me Da Vinci. Chef Da Vinci. Also, when I cook, I try to cook for the week, so I just pack up everything into separate plastic plates, so that way it's easy for me to just whip out, warm, and go about my day. Yeah, it makes life easier, and I don't have to stress about cooking again for the week. And yeah, I also made some beans and overnight oats, so this is pretty much all I'll eat for the week. Planning for the week for me is just about being intentional with how you want each day to go by. If your mind feels cluttered and your space is cluttered as well, I don't think you'll be able to handle that week at your full 100%. You can just pick out a day of the week, any day really, and just try to focus on how to arrange yourself mentally, physically. It can be as simple as picking out what you want to wear, what you want to achieve for certain days. Just figuring out how to organize yourself. For me, I try to be organized. I try to always, lay out what's on my mind, what's in my heart. What are those things that I feel I need to sort out, because I can't move forward without sorting these things out. Now, I always find myself reorganizing my plans because it just always seems like I'm not getting something right, or I'm not getting it right. And always reorganizing isn't a bad thing. In all honesty, like I had to learn that and understand that what I'm doing isn't wrong. It doesn't mean that I'm failing because I'm constantly trying to recheck what I put down, recheck what I've done. That's just, in as much as yes, I can have a perfectionist attitude towards something sometimes, I believe that that's just part of human nature, where we don't always get things right immediately, but then through constant practicing and growing, we eventually learn and find out what works for us and what we can work with. There are different ways to plan for oneself. You might not be the type that writes like I do, but then you can just try to find out how you can keep yourself consistent or on the path of actually achieving the things you want to do. You can set alarms on your phone. You can ask a friend to remind you. You can keep someone by your side as your accountability partner. Planning for yourself, for your future, for your life, it mustn't mean that you must have big drastic plans, or you might have big drastic plans, but then they aren't plans you can achieve at the moment. You can plan with little things, like start with the things that you can actually achieve, things that you can work with. If you're new to like planning for yourself, planning for your life, planning for the week, my advice to you is don't feel overwhelmed, don't feel scared, don't feel like you're not doing it the way others are, because really no one has it figured out. We are all learning in this process together, and honestly no one can even say that they're doing a great job because there isn't a manual. This is just something that with time, with practice, with effort, because you have to put in effort if you want to see a change in your life. If you feel like you're always doing things wrongly, you have to find a way to make them right. And by practicing it each day, it becomes part of you. So I encourage you, don't feel discouraged. Try with the little that you can. And something beautiful will blossom out of it. So I've pretty much done everything I wanted to do for today, including cleaning my room, planning for the week, and planning my personal goals like for the week. And so we are down to the very last one, which is prepare posts and shorts for the week, including YouTube and LinkedIn. So if you are seeing this video, that means I did that. So let's just take it, because I know I'm going to do it, because I know I'm doing it. So this was fun, and I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. I had a lot of thinking and de-stressing to do, honestly. So thank you for joining me in today's video. Hope to see you again next week.